What do you have, Amy? Are you eating some chocolate chip cookie? Do you like it?
Yeah. Yeah, Dylan. My friend Daddy will let my gymnastics with Daddy.
What did you learn at gymnastics with Daddy?
This.
Oh, with your arms stretched out?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Show me what you did at gymnastics.
This.
Oh, and then that's what Mommy was doing too?
Yeah.
That's great.
Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards.
That's good, Claire.
Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards.
What are you eating, honey?
A cookie.
Is it yum?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like chocolate milk.
Really?
Yeah. Cock-a-doo-doo. Cock-a-doo-doo. Cock-a-doo-doo.
What was that?
That was a rooster.
Oh. Do roosters eat cookies?
No. Roosters lay eggs.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
What comes out of the eggs?
Baby ducklings.
Oh, boy.
Chocolate eggs, too.
Is that good, Amy? Oh, wow. You've been busy. She's got little bits of a sweet tooth.